Okay, hi everyone. Say hi.
Hi.
So, I'm gonna try this patience test now to Jaden. He is 2 years and 8 months old. I wow.
Hi.
So, what is this? Eh? Gonna use this chocomalos. Okay. Okay.
Chocomallows.
Yes. Okay, so what's this?
Chocomallows.
Okay, wait. Okay, listen. Okay. I will put one here.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want three more?
Yes.
Do you want three marshmallows?
Yes.
Okay, I will put one here.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
And then I will go to the CR first. And if don't eat first. Okay? Don't eat. Wag mo na kain. Pagbalik ko, tas nandyan pa din, I will give you two. Okay, wait. Okay. One marshmallow. Okay?
Yes.
I will go to CR first. Okay? If I come back and there's still one, I'll give you two. Okay? But wait for me first. Wait for Nanay, okay? Wait for me.
Butter.
Wait for me to come back, okay?
Okay.
Don't eat first. Yeah, don't eat first, ha? Just look. If I come back and you eat no more marshmallow, okay? Don't eat yet, okay? Wait for me. If I come back and the marshmallow is still here, you can have three, okay?
Yes.
Okay, don't eat yet, ha? Don't eat, just look at it, okay? Wait for nanay, opo. Opo. Promise? Promise. Okay, promise ha? Don't eat yet. Wait for nanay, okay? Wait for nanay, don't eat. I'll give you two more if when I come back and don't eat, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wait ha? Don't eat ha? Don't eat ha? Opo? Wait ha, wait.
Dapat tunay at ba la ba la ba la 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 la.